Welcome to OnlineToolsHub, your hub for digital tools, honest reviews, and exclusive online deals. In today's fast-moving digital world, choosing the right tools can change everything. And that's exactly why we're here. We created OnlineToolsHub to make your digital journey easier, faster, and more successful. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or just starting out, we help you discover the tools that save you time, cut costs, and accelerate your growth online. On this channel, you'll find honest and detailed product reviews, step-by-step tutorials, comparisons between the top digital tools, special affiliate deals, and discounts. Our mission is simple: to give you clear, trustworthy insights so you can make smarter decisions. There are thousands of digital products out there, but not all of them are worth your time or money. That's why we test, review, and share the tools that truly make a difference. With OnlineToolsHub, you'll always know which tools are right for you. By subscribing to OnlineToolsHub, you'll get weekly reviews of the best new tools, tips, and tutorials to boost your productivity. Exclusive deals and discounts you won't find anywhere else. Think of this channel as your trusted guide in the digital world. So if you're ready to explore the best digital tools, save money, and grow your online success, hit that subscribe button and join the OnlineToolsHub community today. Welcome aboard. Let's start this journey together.